So to install EVANS waterless engine coolant, it's quite a simple process, but has to be done right to ensure that, considering it's a lifetime coolant, you can install it once and forget about it. So the first process is to drain the system of all the existing coolant. Further effort can go into the drain of the system depending on the setup of the cooling system. So some suggestions that we would make is blowing some high volume, low pressure air through the cooling system. That tends to purge out some remaining coolant that could be trapped in the cooling system. So the effort in installing our coolant is really in the drain and getting as much water out of the cooling system as possible. Once you've done the initial drain, you can use EVANS prep fluid to help purge water out of the system. EVANS prep fluid is a hydroscopic fluid, so by circulating the prep fluid through the system, the prep fluid is actually going to collect any residual water content from the system. The amount you use can vary again on the difficulty in the initial drain. We always recommend to fill the system with our prep fluid to ensure that you get sufficient drain. Once you've installed our prep fluid, leave the engine at idle for 15 or 20 minutes, just as long as the thermostat is opened up and the prep fluid is able to circulate thoroughly. You then drain the prep fluid from the system in the same way that you did the initial drain and remove as much prep fluid as possible. Now, if there's residual prep fluid, that's not an issue. It's perfectly compatible with our coolant. It's more water that's the concern.